Neetu ji. Long time back.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm pretty well. I'm feeling charismatic because since I got the message and since we decided to meet again, to connect again, so I was on top of the moon and now I'm feeling very charismatic to connect with you. How about you? Thank you so much for your concern.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. I feel same. And first, before start our conversation, thank you very much for sharing your screen with your old student.
No, I feel very honored. This pleasure is mine. First of all, you are a true learner, right? And no one, right? And no one. The all efforts is from your side and nothing. I just support you. Only the thing is that if you will not put your hard work, then how can you be a person like you right now? You are a true learner, right? And motivation for me, right? Who empower me, who always ready to support me in every walk of my life. Never ever let me down. Always ready. When madam is need my support, I need to be stand up. You are a person like that. You are a true learner, true friend. I feel in tune with you. I feel like we are soulmate.
Correct, ma'am. And I'm happy. And I have so many questions. Today, I'm prepared for having conversation with you. And I feel very happy and I'm excited too. But I feel nervous because I memorize all my journey with
Yes.
you share your experience, you guide me, you suggest me so many ideas, and yeah, I'm too much confidence whenever I connect with my another co-learner. So that time, if you watched my video, so you notice my confidence there.
Yes, indeed, precisely. You improved a lot. You started from the scratch. I've seen your journey. I'm the witness of your journey.
Yes,
Right? You
yes.
started from the scratch, and now I can see a different Neetu, a Neetu who has a lot of confidence, a Neetu who has, bundle of confidence. I can see that a Neetu who's taking session with other people, other co-learners. That was an amazing part for me, and still you are taking.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. And I often mention about you in my video. So if I upload that video on my channel, so I would like to tell my viewers, it's Rekha ma'am who support me. I'm
No,
speaking because of you. Thank you very
no,
much, ma'am.
no, 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 no. That's your love, your support. I don't want to take any credit for it because that is your effort. Without your efforts, nobody can do it. I'm just giving you the speech, you know. The thing is that how much people, how much a person is taking it. You take it on your heart, you take it on your, brain that I need to push myself. I have to do it. Without your efforts, I'm zero. My speech is zero without your efforts. So I would say that's a vice versa, right?
If children do mistake and parents guide them, teacher guide them, so they select correct way. So I'm
Mhm.
just like a small student, and you suggest a good path me. I was full of your videos, all of your videos, and I get something new all the time, all the time.
And I also watch your videos. I always keep an eye on your video because I love your confidence. Seriously, Neetuji, I wanted to give you that compliment. I love your confidence. I can see that reflect on your face because I'm a witness of your journey, na. That's why I'm
Yes,
telling you, bottom of my heart.
yes, ma'am. Correct, ma'am. So yeah, ma'am, I'm geared up for giving all your questions answer.
No,
I'm
anything.
ready.
No, we will go with the general question. No question answer session. It's just that you just say something, I'll say something, then we will make a mix paratha of it. We'll make a mix pickle of it, and then we will serve it to the viewers. So tell me, Neetu ji, how's your practice is going on, and tell me something, a gist of your journey.
Yes, ma'am, you know all about my journey, and yeah, my practice is going good. But nowadays, suppose I stop learning 1 or 2 days or 1 week, so I'm not feeling I forget all the things. Earlier, when I was stop learning process, so I think I forget all the things. But nowadays, I stop learning, but I feel I know everything. So my
Yes.
practice is going good. I give 1 or 2 hours daily.
Mm-hmm. I would say I filled with the bean, bean. मैं बहुत proud महसूस कर रही हूँ. Feeling very proud. to see you, the way you are speaking, the way you are propagating your thoughts and using a different words. Awesome, commendable. I'm feeling proud of you. I'm proud of you on you. कि मेरे
Thank you.
पास ऐसा student आया who used a student who started the journey from the scratch, and he tremendously you know went for a toss, completely changed, drastically changed
Yes,
in her
ma'am. Correct.
personality.
Earlier, when I started my journey, that time my level was zero. But yes, ma'am, I'm also too much confident nowadays.
Yes, yes, yes. I can see that that is reflecting on your face. That luminous glow is reflecting on your face. Great.
Is of your appreciation. You always boost up my confidence. You
Mhm.
never pulling my leg behind, and you always motivates. I'm doing lots of mistake during the conversation. I'm not able to making sentence, and I'm not able to giving any question answer in front of you. But you always motivates me. You always support me. So that's why I'm
Mhm.
prepare myself, and I'm able to giving answer in front of you. So
No, no, no.
to you, you
Mhm.
ask any question, I'm ready to give any question answer to you.
Okay, so here is my one question.
Okay.
If I talk about Neetu, earlier Neetu, now Neetus, right? What is the difference? What is the difference in Neetus, the earlier Neetu and right now Neetu? What
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
that one difference you can tell me right now?
You know, ma'am, one major difference you also notice right
Mm-hmm.
now. I have no need
Yeah.
to express, but you ask question, and I promise to you, I give your question answer. So I definitely I will give this question answer, and I'm very happy you asked this question to me, because ma'am, earlier I'm hesitate when people speak in English, so um, I not sit there. I
Mm-hmm.
avoid person company. But nowadays I talk in English with my principal ma'am, with my senior, who they are very good in English. So
Mm-hmm.
this big difference.
Yes, though that all in all, you are saying that confidence. You gain confidence and you face the people. Earlier, you were in the social anxiety. You were not
Yes,
able to, feeling like that to connect with the people. So okay, so this is the major difference, right?
nowadays I'm using lots of new word, new fancy word, and no matter wrong or right, but I'm trying to giving my opinion.
This is the right approach. I usually say to my my viewers, right? Always invest yourself for the right approach. Once you invest yourself with the wrong approach, it takes year to get back together, right? So the best teacher is time. Let time to decide it, because time will filters all extras, right? All you need to put your efforts. If you are committing the mistake, doesn't matter. You are privileged to make the mistake, so don't worry about it, right? What is most important, that you need to rectify it. If you are committing the mistake, rectify it, right? And then you are good to go.
Yes, ma'am. I'm learning English, and I watched all of your videos. So it's work like cherry on the cake.
Oh.
I learn new words, how to
Mhm.
ask question, how to give answer, and you sit very calm, and you have very good habit to listen all people. So I
Mhm.
have that habit. I'm very hurry in every field, but
Mhm.
yes, I will try to uh, listen properly and give try to give my opinion and answer in a slow way.
Yes, and now I would like to give you one more compliment. No, 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 I don't want to give you compliment here. I'm jealous of you. Seriously. You are using a lot of fancy words, right? I'm jealous of you. Seriously, Neetuji, I'm jealous of you. I need to learn something from you
If you
today.
it means I'm improving day by day. So
Mhm.
my speaking comes by speaking, and I'm doing hard work, and yeah, I'm learning most of the things after watching your video.
No, expand your territory. I'm not saying that don't stick to my videos. I wanted to explore your world, right? right? Because every YouTuber has something different, right? So try to watch each and every one videos, and learning has power, right? So from wherever you are getting a kind of a knowledge, just grab it. Just try to fill your pouch with the knowledge, because learning has a resource. Learning has necessary resource to desire your to build up your confidence, right? And help you to do in a productive way.
And okay, ma'am. And I get emotional when we start this session. So I'm not to continue my. I'm not, you know, discuss my. I am not sharing my opinion with you. But yes, ma'am, thank you very much for giving your helping hand for me, and I'm improving day by day because of your big support. Like your, you give your precious and valuable time for me every
Mhm.
time. When I drop message to you, you give quick reply, and whenever I stuck related to my school problem, related to my anchoring part, so you give solution, big solution to me.
I
So thank you.
believe, no, I believe I'm a personality like that. I always believe in to provide my helping hand if it is in my hand. And one thing, I'm a person who does it more often than not, or more often than not, मतलब अक्सर मैं करती हूँ ये, right? But I don't go beyond and above, right? But yes, whenever you stuck, whenever you need help, right? You just call me, you just drop a message, and you will find me in your heartbeat. So don't worry about it, right?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So you can
Mhm.
ask another question, ma'am.
Man, I'm telling you, I'm jealous of you. I'm afraid of you. How can I ask you a question? You can ask me a question. Let me see. I'll be able to speak. I'll be able to answer your questions or not. Let me.
Scrolling on my mobile, so I read one quote there related to twins baby. So can I
Mhm.
ask one question?
Yeah,
Only question.
sure, sure.
Twins born together and friend forever. So it's
Ah,
really what
yes, it is.
is
It indeed, indeed. Friends forever, right? Let me just give you one example here. I have a twin baby. One is a baby boy and another is a baby girl. And both are 8 years, right? They fight a lot at home, right? And they always nag me. But when it's come to, show their unity, they become one.
okay?
Yes, nobody has that much dare to touch my son because my daughter is always there for him. Always. How dare you to touch my brother? The kind of a question she asks to everyone. At home, they always fight. When they go outside, they become one. They show their
My
unity.
another question is, ma'am, whenever I connect people, so my big problem is question asking. So
Uh-huh.
body eye contact also
Mm-hmm.
important during
Mm-hmm.
asking
Yes,
question.
yes. Yes, body language, eye maintaining eye contact, it's a part of communication skill. But we are a human being. We can't maintain eye contact always all the time. Right? Whenever you feel stuck and whenever you are feeling like I'm feeling very weird, you can move your eyes and ball here and there. That much privilege we have, right? We have that much right that we can move here and there. Or sometimes you can look at here, that vermilion, that bindi. Vermilion, that bindi, you can look at the bindi like you are using that bindi, or you can look at on forehead.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
this is the
Maybe
the hmm,
someone
yes.
asks question, so I try to give answer, but I'm again stuck when I ask question. So I already thought that whenever I connect with you, so I am asking definitely that question. And
Mhm.
ma'am, yes or no question important or long question important during the conversation, and topic is important. What is important according to you?
It totally depend on the person who's sitting in front of you. If that person is flexible for the topic, then you can go with the topic, because sometimes people are not flexible for the topic, right? We need to create the conducive environment for him or her. That's very important. Try to judge his idea, or you can ask him, what do you want? I mean, you would like to go with the random question or topic, right? And make yourself flexible enough Make yourself flexible enough to mold your personality according to the person.
Okay.
Doesn't matter topic है या random question, doesn't matter. What matter is conducive environment, healthy conversation, and actively participation is important.
Okay. Whenever I connect with you, so I feel very emotional that time. I don't know why.
Because you feel like that I'm first of all, don't be feel free to talk in front of me, because I'm nothing because of you people, right? If you are not giving your support, your love, then I'm nothing. I don't have any identity. You people gave me that identity, right? And you are giving me so much beautiful words, that praiseworthy words, right? But when it's come to the emotional, right? Because like I told I'm always feel connected with you by my heart, right? By my soul, in tune with you, because you always there for me. You always gave your support. You navigate me. Mm, and you empower me actually. I was, you always pushing me, man, nahi, you do it, you have something different, you can do it. Like if I talk about my earlier time when I was saying no, I'm not getting any subscriber, I'm not getting any views, that time you were the only person who's pushing me, right? Right? So it is not like that, it's a vice versa. You are giving me, I'm also giving you the love. You are giving me, so I'm giving you my love. You are giving me respect, so I'm giving you respect. That's a reciprocal process.
Yeah, ma'am.
And it's a lovely euphoric conversation. It's an euphoric conversation. ऐसा लग रहा था, it seems like that party is going on.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.